Hi, Vendasta partners. Hamant here, and I'm eager to fill you in some amazing upcoming product updates for the week of December 18th, 2023. We've decided to bring these updates to life through video to keep everyone, including your teams and clients, in the loop about the latest Vendasta software releases. We're excited to hear what you think. Please share your feedback at roadmap.vendasta.com after watching this video. Now, let's get into the upcoming features. We recently released our new CRM, and the feedback has been phenomenal. Sales representatives will soon be able to easily filter through their task list to the ones they wish to focus on. By clicking on the Start task, they'll be directed to the relevant contact or company profile with the task banner, which they can choose to complete, reschedule, or skip the tasks. This will make it much easier to organize and track progress on their to-do list. This will come available within the next week or so. Over to Gabriel for a quick demo.
Hello, Gabriel here with the latest update on sales task. Currently, you can create sales tasks in the CRM using the activity loggers located on the contact and company profile page. And you can find all the company and contacts with open tasks on the company and contact table. However, there isn't a way for you to currently see a list of tasks that have been assigned to you easily. So here it is, something that we are working on, the sales task table. This table displays all your open tasks by default, and sales manager can access their team members' workloads by inspecting on the open tasks assigned to the team members. Here you can complete, edit, or delete tasks on the table. Plus, you can create customized view to filter tasks based on different criteria, such as tasks that are overdue, due today, or specific types like the call or email task. When you're ready to tackle the task, just click Start Task, which will take you directly to the profile page, where you can focus on knocking out the tasks one after the other. Here, you'll have the flexibility to hop between different contacts and company linked to the task. You also have the choice to push back a task, reschedule it, or simply mark it as completed. With this update, staying on top of your sales activities is easier than ever. Ensure you never miss a task in following up with the potential clients. And that wraps up this week's CRM update.
I know you've all been waiting for this one. Soon you'll be able to post videos straight to YouTube from Social Marketing Pro. Diversify your content and strategy and reach a wider audience in social media by seamlessly integrating YouTube Shorts and videos into your social campaign schedule. By creating scheduling and analyzing YouTube content alongside your other social media content, you'll be able to leverage this popular platform for increased engagement and brand visibility. Here's Omar with the latest update on this much anticipated release.
Hello folks, this is Omar from Social Marketing Team here to show you a quick update that closes the loop on bringing YouTube as a social connection to the social marketing product. So before we show that we integrated YouTube stats in the social marketing product single location. So now if you go to the post performance section, you will see a new tab for YouTube stats showing the number of posts and engagement. That's the stat we are mainly get it from YouTube, but not also in single location social marketing. If we go now to business app, in the social tab, you should be able to see two new columns, one for tracking the YouTube posts, the number of YouTube posts across different accounts, and the YouTube engagement. And if you go to the specific account, so you should see the top performing post, the engagement. So same we have for the other networks, and not just here in the social tab, but also in the executive report. If you take a look, is all the total will add up. So now in executive report, it should be saying totals, and well, you can see. In addition to that, if we go to the specific location on business app, again, you will see that all the totals match. And then for the specifics, we can check the top performing post, engagement, well, same stats mentioned before. That's all for me.
Also coming soon to Social Marketing Pro is Instagram Stories to help you make the most of this high engagement platform. Add stories to your schedule that already contains Instagram posts and reels to connect with your target audience and drive more brand awareness. Coming to both single and multi-location instances of social marketing, you'll be able to effortlessly integrate Instagram Stories into your content strategy. Let's watch the update from Victor.
Hi everybody, this is Victor Porra from Social Marketing Team, and today I have an update from Social Marketing. So now it's possible to post on Instagram on stories. So let me just start seeing one of my images here. So this is the one I will use on my posts. So if I am going here on single location and compose the post, if the user click under the Instagram options, it's possible to post as a story. So just put any text here. Select an image, this one. So our post is ready to go. So just click post now. And double check here on recent post, the post. Take his time in order to show the list of posts that we have here. Okay. So one other thing is, if we have a story posted on social marketing, we will see this label that say the story posted on the date. If the story is scheduled, the different will say here scheduled for. So going to the Instagram network to see if the story is there. Yep, it's there. So I can see my story here. Coming back to social marketing, I will start with multi-location. So on multi-location, we can do the same. So by clicking here on multi-location, if Instagram is selected, let me also put any text here. Select one media. Let me just use this one. And again, it's necessary to click here under Instagram option to be in a story, and then post now. Let me refresh. So currently we are working to display the same message here, similar to the single location, but this is something that the work is in progress. So we just check here on the network part. Yep. And the story is there. Well, that's it, guys.
With Local SEO Pro, you can now eliminate guesswork from keyword selection. It can be challenging to determine which keywords will best help your clients stand out in local searches and gain edge over your competitors. Local SEO Pro's AI-powered smart suggestions show suggested keywords with competitiveness and search volume stats, so you can choose the right keywords for each of your clients. We've released this now, so be sure to check it out. Here's a quick demo.
So this sprint we added suggestion keywords here in this dialog. So this will now show smart suggestions of the keywords we're showing, this competitiveness and the search volume. You can just add keywords and apply, and those will be added and tracked. We also have this problem where if some account is maxed out on the keywords, like this account has 15 keywords, this is grayed out. So early next sprint will be enabling this, and we'll probably gray out the apply button here, so the user can still see the keywords. So that's coming up, and then we're also releasing this to the trusted testers next week. But yeah, this is all from suggestion on keywords side.
If you attended Vendasta Connect a couple weeks ago, you'll have heard that you'll soon be able to send data in and out of Vendasta with Zapier to make ideal workflows for you and your customers. With Vendasta's new Zapier app, you can connect almost anything to the CRMs in both Partner Center and Business App, opening up a world of possibilities for workflow improvements and automations for both you and your clients. You can expect this in Q1 of 2024. Here's the latest demo from Kaz.
Yeah, so Zapier is basically a third-party system which has lots of integration, and we can run tons of automation basically. And what we did in this sprint, we created a Vendasta CRM with a action called create or update contacts into Vendasta CRM. So I just have a very simple steps over here. So what it's going to do, I have a spreadsheet over here, and I have some details of the users. So anytime I add any new details in the spreadsheet or update any details, it's going to trigger this event into Zapier. And then we have published the Vendasta CRM app. So I have the Vendasta CRM set up over here. So the Vendasta CRM is going to get this data from Zapier and call the Vendasta CRM APIs to update the details into Vendasta CRM platform. So for example, if I just took this example, this email just I have created, and if I go into Vendasta CRM, and if I search for the user, so this user is actually created from Zapier automation and through these applications. Okay, so you can basically tie it to different sorts of triggers. I can submit a forms. I can trigger with a form submission, or partners can have different sorts of application they want to integrate with, and they can create a trigger on that and then call the Vendasta CRM to create or update contacts into our platform. So yeah, this is one of the example, and you can do a lot more than this. This is a bit more complex steps involved here. So after doing the CRM its job, you can do something on top of that. The value you are returning here. So it's basically I am getting the value what the Vendasta CRM application is returning, and I am sending an email over here to confirming that this user is actually created into the CRM. So yeah, it's up to the partner what sort of automation they can do, they want to do. We have the capability to create or update the users into or contacts into the Vendasta CRM. And to do that, we had some technical things to do. Yeah, for example, as you know, the CRM has a dynamic sorts of fields, right? So different partner can have their own fields. So these fields are basically loaded dynamically based on that organization ID you provide. So different partner can have their own sorts of CRM fields configured over here. Okay, and then also we have integrated with the CRM API you just built last week to make it work. Yeah, so that's it on the CRM application. And I think, yeah, we have already published this application, so we can share the public invite if anyone wants to test it out. Yeah, so that's it from my side. Yeah.
That's a wrap for this week's updates. And if I haven't mentioned it already, to stay in the know, just head on over to roadmap.vendasta.com. As always, we greatly appreciate your partnership and value your feedback. Catch you soon.